there's one. Don't know what he is. I don't know if he's big or little. Oh my goodness, that's a good one. He's mad now. Yep, he's definitely taking some line. My drag's not working right. There we go. Take some line, I don't care. You're hooked in the top, you ain't coming off. Okay, there we go. Now the drag's working. Come here. Oh goodness, another 4-pounder. Oh, holy cow. Holy cow. Nice. Man, I wish I had my scale. I'm so mad. Because catching these means they're not going to be wanting to bite. Maybe the next time we come out here. But that, look how fat it is. It's so short. So short. But fat. I mean, like that fat. Fat. Man, you're eating good. In the neighborhood. You from Applebee's? Go on. Yeah.